I don't like them.
You don't like
I
them?
don't like these.
Why you not like them? Today we're diving into some public reactions and an in-depth review of the Air Jordan 4 Fear. First, the Air Jordan 4 Fear debuted in 2013 as part of the Fear Pact, and this was a trio of Jordans that actually explored the darker emotions that Michael Jordan had to go through, such as fear and doubt, on his path to greatness. Now, these are some legendary sneakers, and before we go ahead and break that down, let's go ahead and see what the sneaker community has to say about these shoes. So you guys, today I'm here with
J-Ron.
Zayden.
Jace.
So J-Ron, first question I got for you is, looking at these, what was the first thing you thought looking at them?
I don't like them.
You don't like
I don't
them?
like these.
Why you not like them?
No, it's not my type of shoe. Like the paint everywhere. I mean, it's a cool shoe, but like the paint everywhere, I don't like it. It's not my type of style.
So are you not really a Jordan fan, or like?
No, I like Jordans. It's just this type of Ford. No, it's not mine. Like the Bread Fords is my type of style.
The Bread Fords?
Yeah, real OG classic. These not it.
First impression, I'm going off based on colors and like shoe in general.
Yeah.
These are really hard. Like I got them at home, 10 out of 10 shoe, good quality, and it's very easy to maintain and keep clean. Like I really rock for them. Yeah.
So I have a question for you. Somebody actually said that they're actually really hard to clean the suede. How do you go about cleaning the suede?
Really?
Yeah.
I need to go get some water, a little towel, the old-fashioned way, just scrub it in.
With a toothbrush or something like that?
Yeah.
My first impression, I thought these are really cool. I see they have like a kind of like a cookies and cream pattern on the sole and stuff, which I like about that.
Okay.
Yeah, and the colorway is good.
Now stick around because there will be more public interviews throughout this video, but now let's talk about the aesthetics of the shoe. So the design of the Air Jordan 4 Retro is bold and unapologetic, and the black and gray upper made from premium suede gives it a sleek and yet rugged look. And the speckled midsole adds just the right amount of contrast, while the pops of white and dark red on the outsole make it stand out even more. What I love about this colorway is simply how versatile it is, and whether you're rocking some streetwear or something casual, this is going to be perfect as it has some premium materials that are built to last, and the Fear 4s are perfect to elevate any outfit. But hold to that thought, because we're going to go ahead and see what the people will style with these shoes, and then I'll go ahead and show you some outfits as well. We're here with
GH the Great.
My.
So Terrence, if you were to throw on an outfit with this shoe, what does that outfit look like?
My outfit would be either all black or all gray.
Okay.
Jordan, of course. Yes.
Oh, all straight Jordan?
All straight Jordan from head to toe.
From the top? Okay.
That's just me.
I feel that. And then, have you always been like that since a kid?
You know what? I've always been like that. I'm not saying I wouldn't coordinate the colors, but if the shoes are Jordan, my outfit's probably going to be Jordan also.
Okay.
Most likely.
Oh, just like today, I see you have the Nike.
Yeah, and this is shabby, but that's just how I am.
Yeah. Okay.
I ain't gonna even lie, I'll go get a Letterman jacket for these.
Oh yeah?
A Letterman jacket, or I'll start off with a jersey. It depends on the, you know what I'm saying, the atmosphere, the occasion and shit, yo.
I feel that.
These approved though, for sure,
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I like these.
I see you said it was a casual shoe, like an everyday shoe. What type of outfit would you craft around these shoes?
With these, I would probably wear as a girl, I would wear like a denim skirt.
Okay.
A denim skirt and probably like a mixture color like a gray and a black t-shirt.
For sure. Even some of what you got on right now, low key will fly, I'm gonna lie. The Air Jordan 4 Fears are bold, understated, and built for making statements, so for this look, I'm pairing them up with some cargo shorts for a relaxed, functional vibe, and I did add a yellow jacket, and you get the perfect pop of color to go ahead and balance the muted tones of the sneaker. So with that being said, it's a fit that blends confidence and versatility, just like the message behind the fear. Now for the second look, I'm rocking them with brown joggers for that clean and comfortable base, topping it off with a black jacket, which is keeping those tones dark and minimal to let the shoes speak for themselves. But with that being said, this fit is all about simplicity because sometimes less is really more. Tan cargo pants bring that rugged, street-ready vibe with this oversized gray and black jacket, which adds bold layers and also a texture to the fit. And also the muted tones tie everything together, letting the sneakers stay as the centerpiece. But the last outfit, I'm going with black ripped jeans for a sharp edge and a cozy brownish jacket to keep it all relaxed. And this fit, it's all about balance, just like the concept behind these kicks. So without further ado, the Fears are more than just sneakers, and they're actually a symbol for pushing you out and stepping into your potential. So let's go ahead and talk about more on the concept of these shoes. So moving on, the Fear Pack isn't just simply about its design. It was about the mindset that actually defined it. And this actually represents the eternal battles that MJ faced throughout his career. Whether that may be the fear of doubt, fear of failure, or even just the drive to overcome them. and the Retro 4 fear conveys that perfectly with its design and its story. Wearing this isn't just about repping a dope sneaker, but it's about embracing the idea that fear is fuel for greatness, and it's a tribute to the resilience and confidence that made MJ a legend. And this sneaker was built based on his mindset and his career. So if you had to create your own signature sneaker, what kind of elements would you add to your sneaker?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Any type of colors? You got a favorite color?
Probably like colors, like if I was to make my own shoe, my favorite color personally is pink and purple.
Okay.
So I would make like a fire shoe of like a mixtures of pink and purple.
Just real poppy, huh?
Yeah.
Something along achieving.
Okay.
You know, it's kind of like that story in a way, you know.
Okay. Like any type
Ups
of
and
colors
downs.
or?
The colors for me are blue.
Blue?
Blue and white.
So your favorite color, okay.
Those are my colors, yeah.
Okay.
I could go down the line, man. It's all type of shit I can add because I done been through things. I done been through things. Just from having kids, going to jail.
Okay.
You know, losing family members, losing homies and shit. Yeah, like it'll be a lot into my sneaker though, for sure.
Is it like a certain color, like a certain name you add to it?
I probably start off with black, or do something like red. Yeah, either red or black, something like that.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because red my favorite color, but you know what I'm saying?
Me too,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
hard.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, we good.
Yeah.
We good, yeah.
Let's now talk about the comfort. The Air Jordan 4 Retro Fear stays true to its roots with its cushioned midsole featuring the signature air sole unit. Whether you're rocking these casually or on the court, they provide solid support and comfort all day long. That said, these Jordans are from 2013, so I really wouldn't compare it to any sneakers currently for today's performance. But with that being said, if you are buying these sneakers, you're probably either buying it for the style or even the story. The Air Jordan Retro Fear has become a grail for many sneakerheads, and it's a limited release and has a unique story that makes it a standout piece for any sneaker collection. And resale prices remain high for the 2013 release, with dead stock pairs going for upwards of $600 to even $800 depending on the condition and size. But for this recent release, you can find these at local sneaker stores such as Foot Locker and such. Make sure to check out that link down below for easy access. And if you're lucky enough to snag a pair, I definitely would not go ahead and sell them. I would hold on to them because they're not just a sneaker, but it's actually an investment in the sneaker culture. And then, so the money question, would you actually cop these shoes for a retail price of $215?
Yeah.
$215?
Yep.
Yeah. If I was a Jordan person, I would.
If you were, so you're not. Are you really a Jordan person?
I'm not really a Jordan person. My kids are, but I'm not.
Yeah. If I had that money right now, I actually would.
Yeah?
Yeah, I would.
Okay, so what do you guys think about the Air Jordan 4 Retro Fears? Are they a must-cop for you, or are they just another sneaker? Let me know down below in the comment section, and if you're looking to dive deeper into another recent release, go ahead and check out this video, which I will do the same thing on the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement.